Morning students, I Vijaya, your teacher of English, welcome you all to Rishikul Online School. So dear students, today we are going to solve model test paper which is of 80 marks and the time allowed is 3 hours and this is module 2. So, dear students, here are certain instructions which we have already discussed in our previous module. That the question paper will consist of 11 questions. The paper will be divided into 3 sections that are reading, writing and grammar and literature. And here is given the section wise weightage. Reading section there will be question 4 1 to 4 and the maximum marks will be 30 of reading section. There will be 2 unseen passages and 2 seen passages. B section will be writing and grammar, question number 5 to 7. This will be of 20 marks. Then section C, literature. There will be question number 8 to 11 and literature section will be of 30 marks. So here is our question number 3, which is from the fiction. Read the paragraph carefully and answer the questions by choosing the most appropriate option, which is seen passage. And this is of 5 marks. And the passage is, but Evelyn was not going to give up. She was determined to lead a normal life and pursue her interest in music. One day, she noticed a girl playing a xylophone and decided that she wanted to play too. Most of the teachers discouraged her, but percussionist Ron Forbes spotted her potentials. Now here are given questions. While in exam you will get this kind of paragraph, you are to read it twice or thrice till you are not able to comprehend it or understand it completely. So the first question is, where was the Royal Music Academy? And four options are given to you. Till I'm coming to the next, think about the answer to this question. Question number 2 is, what did Evelyn want to pursue? And the line is given over there in the passage as well. What did Evelyn want to pursue? You see, pursue her interest in music. So the correct option is music. Is that clear? And Royal Music Academy is in London. Question number 3 is, which places had Evelyn worked for? And the options are poor children, prisons and hospitals, schools and none. And the correct answer is prisons and hospitals. Question number 4 is, who helped Evelyn to continue with her music? Her mother, teacher, father or Ron Forbes? And the right answer is Ron Forbes. Question number 5 is, who spotted Evelyn's potential? And the correct answer is Ron Forbes, the percussionist. Question number 4 is, what is the favorite activity of the poet during the rainy season? And the 4 options are given to you. And the correct option is to lie on the bed and listen to the pitter-patter sound of the rain. Question number 5 is, who are the darling dreamers in the poem? And again 4 options are given. but the most appropriate is poet and his siblings. So this was our module 2 for class 9th. We will meet soon in module 3. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.